In today's video, I'm going to talk about why choosing to work a 9 to 5 job is selfish. Now, I know that's quite direct, I know that's quite mean, but it is the truth, okay? And I'm going to explain later on in the video why. But firstly, before I continue the video, if you don't know who I am, my name is Alim, and I used to work a 9 to 5 job myself back in the UK. And at one point I decided, you know what, I'm going to take the biggest risk of my life. I quit my 9 to 5 job, I packed my bags and I moved to Dubai, and I started my online business, which now generates me over 6 figures a year, which means I get to work when, where, and how I want, okay? And that's my life now, and this has literally completely changed my life within 2 years, okay? In fact, within less than 2 years, my life completely changed by quitting my job and moving to Dubai and starting my online business. Now, the reason why I say choosing to work a 9 to 5 job is selfish, right, is because you can only make so much money in a 9 to 5 job, right? And most people just get comfortable in a 9 to 5 job. Let me tell you guys a story, right? When I was working my 9 to 5 job back in the UK and, you know, I joined Sky as a sales advisor, there were people that were there for about 20 years, 25 years. And okay, at that time I was like, okay, cool, these people are here for a long time, whatever. Then I moved to media operator within Sky, right? So there's another whole new role. And there were people there for 25, 27, 30 years. And what made me like really confused is that the company was celebrating them being there for 27 years. And in my head, I'm thinking, surely these guys had dreams and aspirations of doing something else, right? Or maybe starting a business, or maybe having really, really high level goals. And yet they're here for 25, 30 years and they're celebrating it on top of that. Like, that's crazy. Imagine being in the same spot for 25, 30 years, right? Really and truly the same salary as well. Okay, you might argue they get 2, 3, 4 grand more a month. However, that's still the same in my opinion, right? Which is not much. It's not much of a difference. And I'm thinking to myself, if these guys can stay here for 27, 25, 30 years, whatever, that can easily happen to me if I get comfortable. And that's exactly what's happened to a lot of these people. They got comfortable, and that's why they stayed at the same job, okay? Now, the main reason why I say you're selfish if you stay in a job and you choose to work a 9 to 5 job is because, again, there's only so much money you can make, right? Maximum, let's say you make 5 grand, 6 grand, 7 grand, even 10 grand, right? Which is not much nowadays. 10 grand a month to work in a job. You're going to be happy with that? Yeah, you might get a promotion, you might get extra few grand a month, but that's not enough, right? Now, if you have a family, if you have parents, if you have loved ones, right? You want to be able to do the most for them, okay? Your 9 to 5 salary isn't going to be able to do that. There is no point where it doesn't matter how much money you make in your 9 to 5 job, where you can actually do things for your family, do things for your loved ones, do things for your kids. You know, how can you keep working a 9 to 5 job and keep choosing to work a 9 to 5 job, knowing it's just going to give you consistency, right? And consistency might sound good on paper because you're like, okay, cool, at least I'm earning, you know, the same amount every month. In my opinion, consistency is the worst thing because, okay, one thing, guys, you are forgetting inflation, okay? Inflation is, you know, a big deal. And it doesn't matter how much money extra you make, inflation will always beat that. So yeah, it's not the greatest thing to do, okay? And secondly, you're not gonna be able to make enough to support your family, to do things for your family. Ultimately, you need money to do things for your family, okay? Now, this is why you should start an online business. Now, just before I get into that, right? Starting an online business, if you do need any help with actually starting one yourself, or I can work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month, working with me on a 3-month program, click the link in the description where it says work with me, book in a call with me, and I'll be happy to see how I can actually help you. Now, why you should start an online business is because, one, it gives you freedom, right? You can work when you want, which means you have more time, which means you could spend more time with your family, okay? Now, I'll give you guys an example. Because I make money online and I get to do whatever it is that I want, and my money is solely coming from online and I get to work when I want, I had family visit me recently, my parents, you know, my sister and whatnot, and I was able to spend the full amount of time with them, right? And even though in between I was working, I had my laptop and whatnot, I'm able to do that because I make money online, right? Now, if I'm working a 9 to 5 job, I'll have to ask my boss for leave and he's gonna say no. Or, you know, I have to ask permission and, you know, it's not guaranteed. And even if I get time off, you know, they're still going to be on your case when you come back. And it's just a headache, right? You won't get the full days as well. That's another thing. And it's just like, you can't do what it is that you want. So for me, it's selfish for me to just work a 9 to 5 job knowing I can't do these things, right? And that's why I started an online business in the first place, because it gives me freedom, which means I can spend more time with my family. Also, not only that, it makes me more money, which means I can actually help my family. I can actually do more things for them, right? And I don't want to live a life where I'm consistently making, I don't know, 3 grand, 4 grand, 5 grand, even 10 grand is not a lot. I don't want to be consistent in that, because consistency is what's going to bring you down. Because at the end of the day, inflation's going like this and you're consistently like this, like you're going to lose every single time. And that's why you should start an online business, because an online business makes you more money, which means you can help your family, right? And it gives you more freedom, right? More time. So you can actually spend more time with your family, which a 9-to-5 job doesn't give you, right? And you can't do as much with a 9-to-5 job as well, because you're spending 40 hours a week at your job. Like, that's crazy. 40 hours a week. How are you going to spend time with your family? How are you going to spend time with your loved ones? How are you going to spend time with your kids, right? You don't want to work 40 hours a week in a 9-to-5 job when you can make 5 times the amount of money just starting an online business and working from home. And not only that, not just working from home, you work less hours to make 5 times more than you would in your 9-to-5 job. And I know it might come across as rude or arrogant or whatever you guys want to call it, right? But the truth is the truth. If you're not trying to grow yourself, if you're not trying to grow your income, then you're selfish, in my opinion. Because the reason why I started an online business is because obviously I want to make money for myself as well, of course. However, the main reason I went into this is I want to help as many people as possible, right? Guys, I think you underestimate what it's like being rich, because when you have a lot of money, you can give to charity, you can do things for people, you can help your family. You know, if someone's struggling with money, here, you can take some. Or if someone wants something, here, I bought this for you, right? You can't do that without money. And money is, look, money is not the most important thing in the world. I'm not going to sit here and try and say to you, money is the most important thing. But your family is very important, right? Family is probably one of the most important things after health. So if family is so important, right, how can you help them? Well, you need money. So without money, how can you actually help them, right? So your goal should be in life to try and make as much money as possible so you can actually help your family, so you can actually do things for them, right? A lot of people tell me, I want to do this. When I make a lot of money, I want to do this. I want to help my parents, or I want to help this person, or I'll help that person. And I'm like, okay, cool. That's very good that you want to do that. But what are you doing to actually achieve that? What are you doing in your life to actually be in a position to do that? And most times, in fact, 99% of the times, they are doing nothing, right? And at that point, it's not a goal, it's a dream, right? So why are you gonna have a dream but not work towards it? Like you know how it's gonna feel giving back to loved ones. You know how it's gonna feel giving back to your parents. So why don't you try? Like, I don't understand. It's so crazy to me when people come up to me and say, yeah, if I have money, I'll do this for this person. Or if I have money, I'll do this for that person. Cool, bro. Start now then. Start an online business. Start something that you can make money so you can actually help them, right? And this is why I started my online coaching business, because I want to help as many people make money online as well. Because, guys, more people I help make money online. I believe in good karma. Karma's going to come back to me. I'll make more money as well, right? And ultimately, if people can make money online, they can do more things for their loved ones, which means, again, they're transferring that energy into helping someone else, and then that person will help someone else, X, Y, and Z, right? So this is why I started my online coaching business. Now, again, guys, if you do need any help with starting your own online business, where basically I'll work with you on a one-to-one basis and help you leverage your skills and knowledge and sell it to high-ticket clients, okay? And I work with you on a one-to-one basis. It's a 3-month program. So if you are interested in something that you do want to do, click the link in the description below where it says work with me, book in a call with me, and I'll be happy to jump on a call and see exactly how I can help you, okay? Now, guys, this is why it's so important to invest in yourself, because a lot of people hold on to money. And if you're going to hold on to money, well, you're going to lose more money. Now, I know it makes no sense, but trust me, this is the rule of life. The more money you spend, the more money you make, okay? Money is cash flow. You need to constantly keep spending it, and money will constantly come back to you. This is how it works, okay? And trust me, I've tried this out myself. The more money you spend, the more money you make, trust me. Whether you're going to believe me or not, if you don't believe me, just go a whole week and try it. Spend money without that fear and know that it's going to come back to you, and watch how much more money you make. But ultimately, guys, you do have to take action as well, right? Money's not just going to fly to you. It's not, you're not going to win the lottery, right? Let's be real. You don't want to win the lottery. You don't want to do all these, broke people things, which is what I like to call where you rely on external factors to try and make you rich. You want to put in the effort and make money yourself, right? Because ultimately, you're not chosen to win the lottery, or ultimately, you're not chosen to get money coming from the sky. You want to help so many people, bruv. So if you want to help so many people, put in the work. Like, I don't understand why you think that, oh, money's just gonna come to me, or, I'm comfortable working my 9-to-5 job. I'll get a promotion. I'm making a couple extra grand a month. Couple extra grand a month is nothing, bruv. That's literally like half a client, really and truly. Okay? So it's so important that you guys work hard. Like, work hard, focus on an online business, make as much money as possible, and help your family, spend on your family. You can do so much more if you actually just try. Okay, and this is why, like, I started an online business, and this is why I'm doing what I'm doing. Ultimately, guys, the whole point of this video is not to sort of be on your case, not to sort of, you know, be rude to you or be mean to you or whatever you want to call it. It's mainly just to call you guys out to understand that what you're doing right now isn't going to get you to the level you want to be. So if you want to be in a level where you can actually help people and actually do things, then you need to start a business. That's the only way, and that's the only way you can actually become successful. It's the only way you can actually change your life, right? And also change the lives of people around you. And that's why I say if you decide to keep working a 9-to-5 job, you're selfish in my opinion, because there's only so much money you can make, you have no time, and then you come home tired as well on top of that, which means that you genuinely have no time, right? So this is why I say, like, if you want to actually change your life and you want to actually do things in your life, start an online business, because it will completely change everything for you. So again, if you do need any help with that, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and I'll be happy to jump on a call and see exactly how I can help you. Alternatively, guys, if you want to see a full breakdown on how you can start a 10K a month online business, click the video that you see on your screen, and I'll see you guys there.